All right, so today I'm about to remove this mantle here, and you guys will remember this place. We did this whole wall here, and this is the mantle that this guy got from another house that was way too large for this space, but we realized a TV would fit in there, so we came up with the idea that, hey, this could be an entertainment center. And then I came in here and took all these details and replicated them on these built-ins, which now it makes it look like it could have been built originally with the house. And to make it even better, we recreated it back here. And this is my first time seeing it dressed with all the cool stuff in it. So I'm very pleased with my work here. You guys know me, I'm not like that all the time. So let's go ahead and try to separate this now, and we're going to build a new mantle in this style, kind of mimicking this mantle there. I have to do it a little bit differently in my mind anyhow, because I want the top of this mantle to be solid. So when you place something on it, it doesn't sound hollow. Even this sounds kind of hollow. And I want this to sound more solid when it's done. Okay, we got this all separated. Check this out. I don't know what this is, but this whole thing is molded. It's just the entire thing is plaster. So this is my first time removing a mantle that is 100% plaster. I've removed quite a few over the years that were wood. Obviously, that's typically what you see. So this is kind of cool. And we got it off in one piece. So, you know, the client could sell this maybe or something like that. We're going to get this out of there now, and then I'll be able to get some measurements on this and figure out how we're going to attack the next portion of this job. And we'll take it from there. Anyhow, that's a little tease for you. That's all that was. It's a tease. Stick around over the course of the next couple weeks. I'll be designing and building this mantle, and there's a lot of little weird parameters I got to work in. Got to figure out area for tile, all of it. And I got to get over there first and kind of patch the wall where the top of that mantle was, because the new mantle is going to be significantly lower than the original. We're going to lower and widen it, give you more of that profile you'd see with a Craftsman style to match, as you saw everything else I did. So this is just a quick one for you. Short video, oh my God. And but if you're interested in this, follow along with it. I'll be posting videos, like I said. I'll catch you in the next one. Be good.